This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.